Welcome to Final Cut Pro Basic Introduction. First, click on the FCP icon on your dock. As FCP is loading, the Easy Setup menu pops up. In this menu, select Format, HD as we're working on HD footage. Then set the frame rate to 25 FPS and the timeline sequence as Blackmagic HDTV 1080 50i Apple ProRes HQ. At the bottom of the panel is a section called Primary Scratch Disk. This is the disk on which all the media files, render files and autosave files are saved. Here we select Add Homes Drive and click on OK. Once FCP has opened, the following standard windows will be displayed: Browser, Viewer, Canvas, Timeline, Tools, and Audiometer. Before we start edit, we must save the project by clicking on File, then click on Save Project. Select the drive on which you have to save your project by creating New Folder, clicking on the New Folder at the bottom, and giving the folder name Test, and giving the same name Test to the project, and save it by clicking Save. Now we look at how to import clips into FCP. In the browser panel, right click and you will be given two options: Files or Folder. And here we're going to go for Folder, in which we see all the media available on the disk. And now import these clips to the browser. Now that we have all the media clips in the browser, click on the clip and it will be shown in the viewer. In the viewer, select the part of the clip that you want to drop onto the timeline by pressing I for in and O for out, and drag the clip onto the timeline or press F10. Similarly, get another clip by pressing I for in and O for out into the viewer. Drag another clip into the timeline from the viewer at the part of the clip before the in point and after the out, and this is known as the handle length, and it's used for the transition. As we right click in between both of the clips, we get cross dissolve as default transition. Suppose if we do not have a space before the in point of the clip and after the out point of the clip, then we can use the pen tool from the toolbox. Before that, to see the track more clearly, we can increase or decrease the length of the track by clicking the area at the bottom of the timeline, or we can use Shift T to increase or decrease the length of the track. For transition, we should have this line appear onto the clip which will be using the transition on it, and this can be seen by pressing Option W. Now click pen tool icon from the toolbox, or you can press P to get the pen tool active. Click on the line of the click by pen where you want to start the fade in, and then drag the line down all the way to where you want the fade out. Do the same onto the next clip to get the fade in and fade out transition. For cross dissolve, you will not be able to lift the clip or overlap over the other clip. So for that, click arrow in the toolbox or press A to activate the arrow, and now you can lift the clip and overlap it onto the other clip. This will give you cross dissolve if you do not have handle length. Before giving the final output for your work, press Apple R for unrendered footage. After that, press Alt R for the smooth playback. To get full work in a QuickTime movie, press Media Start for in and Media Out for out point. Finally, to export it, go to File and click on Export, where we have to give the name to our final output for the video. and this video has to be made self-contained to get the movie to be played in every system.